Step-by-step guide to an amicable divorce in Santa Clarita. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are on the same page and want a peaceful, straightforward divorce in Santa Clarita, you might be wondering, what's the step-by-step process for an amicable divorce? Let me walk you through it. Step 1 is filing the initial paperwork, the petition and summons, with the Los Angeles County Court. Once that's filed, you'll get a case number, and we'll handle serving your spouse or using a notice of acknowledgement and receipt if both parties are cooperating. Step 2 is exchanging financial disclosures. Even if you agree on everything, California law requires both spouses to complete and share their financial information. This includes income, assets, debts, and expenses. Step 3 is preparing your agreement. We'll draft your marital settlement agreement and all required judgment forms, making sure everything is clear, fair, and ready for court review. Step 4 is filing your final judgment package with the court. If done correctly and you're working with us, you'll never need to go to court or speak to a judge. Once approved, the 6-month waiting period begins. After that, your divorce becomes final. We recently helped a Santa Clarita couple complete their entire divorce process in less than 2 weeks. Everything was done online and they never had to step foot in court. If you want a fast, affordable, and drama-free divorce in Santa Clarita, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll handle everything for you from start to finish.